Welcome to my channel, How To Knot, and in this video here I'll be showing you how to tie a thumb knot, also known as an overhand knot or Stafford knot. A basic stopper knot which is a starting grounds for knot tying. Its process can be partially found in other knots such as the loop knot, reef knot, running knot, water knot, etc. Its applications are for farming, fishing, general purposes, camping, climbing, and boating. Take the working end of the rope and form a loop. Feed that working end through the loop. Tighten and dress the knot accordingly, pulling it tighter on itself. This is a strong and secure stopper knot which can jam quite badly, making it untieable. It should only be used on applications where it's a permanent fixture of the rope. Now an example using a thumb knot as a stopper knot through a hole. It's a low-profile knot that can be used to hold the rope through a hole, provide a slightly larger object to grab onto, and to prevent the rope from fraying at the end. Alternative stronger options for a stopper knot can be a figure 8 knot or an oysterman's stopper knot. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.